Overdoing it, a common phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, overdoing it. Have you heard it before? Overdoing it can be a handy phrase to know, and understanding it can really show the depth of your English skills. So, let's get started. Overdoing it might sound a bit mysterious, but it's actually used to describe when someone is exerting themselves too much in any activity. It could be working too hard, partying too hard, or even exercising too much. When you're overdoing it, you're going beyond what is healthy or reasonable. Let's put overdoing it into context with some examples. I think I'm overdoing it with these double shifts at work. You love decorating for the holidays, but this year, you might be overdoing it with the lights. After running that marathon without enough training, I really overdid it. Using overdoing it is simple. If you see someone taking something too far, or if you feel you're pushing your own limits, this is the phrase to use. Just remember, it often implies a concern or a gentle warning that someone should take it easy. Sometimes, you might want to use a different phrase. Here are some synonyms: excessive, going overboard, burning the candle at both ends. And that's a wrap on overdoing it. Remember, while hard work and enthusiasm are great, balance is key. Don't overdo it, and take care of yourself. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English tips. Happy learning!